Alright guys, what's up? No, I haven't done anything over the winter or the spring. It's been cold here in Colorado, but finally got around to doing some stuff to the bike. I want to show you guys quite a bit of the stuff that we have done. Done some air ride. We're still waiting on our SO Baggers center stand. Got some stuff from Siouxicide Choppers. I want to give you guys a quick little overview of it. Let's see what happened. Alright, so the big thing that we went ahead and got done real recently was the Dirtyworks air ride, front and rear, fast up. So far with the air ride setup, loving it. Definitely way more comfortable than factory suspension. Went ahead with the fast up kit on that with the digital gauge. Let me show you how those mount real fast. So we're going to go on ahead, remove both saddlebags. You're going to have the compressor, left side. Then you're going to have the air tank on the right side. So we got the air shocks along with the compressor on this side. And the fast air tank. That way it stores the air pressure. You get on, go. The compressor will kick on to refill that up. Now, as you can tell, my bike does not have a center stand on it yet, because I am waiting. So yes, that is my 4x that I've been parking my bike on. As most of you guys, I'm impatient. When I get goodies for the bike, I want to get it thrown on. So hopefully my SO Bagger center stand shows up here soon. It's supposed to ship out last week, so we'll see when I get it. I've been waiting about, I think, 4 weeks for it. Hopefully it comes soon. Excited to be able to have that. If not, I have to park it and make sure the shocks are aired up a little bit. Use that kickstand. But in the garage, just so I don't have any mishaps, parking on the 4x. With that, we also upgraded to the Siouxicide Chopper floorboards for my wife. She did not like the factory little pegs for her to sit on. Went with something, obviously, to have a nice sturdy base. Also upgraded to the Saddlemen seat. Wife's got a big booty. She wanted something way more comfortable. This is not the extended reach, being that I am not that tall. But it's been really nice. Got a couple hundred miles on it now. More comfortable for both of us. With the Siouxicide Choppers, we also went with the sissy bar. Ties in with the KST handlebars we got. Looks real nice. Now, with all that being said, also did order the Siouxicide Chopper crash bar. Now, this Road Glide is a special, so I had the chopped crash bar on it. The one they sent me did not work, but the guys over at Siouxicide Choppers have been awesome. Actually had me hold on to that one. They are just finishing up a chopped crash bar. I'm going to get that sent out to me, so I'll get that put on. Get you guys shown that as well. But ultimately, now here in Colorado, weather's pretty warm. Out riding the bike most days, at least a couple days a week. And now it's time for poker runs and trips, going on rides, stuff like that. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I can do a walkthrough of a couple of different things as well. But so far, I think the bike's turning out good. Let me know what you think.